Normally with this I just go ahead and take a picture, but this deserves a video. This is a job. Someone just pulled the head and did a head job on it and put a new head gasket on it. We pulled the cylinder, ran a compression check on the this cylinder, and it was 64 pounds, so we knew something was going on. And we could hear it where it was blown out. But this is exactly how, when we pull the head off with that bent like that and it's blown out here, I don't think I've ever seen that. I'm not certain if that wasn't damaged when they were putting the head on, where they caught that sliding the head on and just didn't do anything about it because, well, anyway, I don't have to think about it. But this is not a new head gasket. It's supposed to have a head gasket, but if it were just put on, which I was told it was just put on, it would have come right off with no problem at all. But anyway, that's the problem, is that it's a blown head gasket. The head was supposed to have been reworked. And new gaskets, and that's some of the garbage that we saw. That the end of that screw's broken off. The carb's 2 different colors. Just all the stuff we're battling right now. So they put another intake gasket on it, intake exhaust. That to me looks like it was never sealed. That's where gases have been blowing by, and I don't think this was sealed either. But here's the head that was just reworked. I think that's been that way because it's got the shape on there. I'd say it was pretty much blown since the time they put it on. If they put a new head gasket on it. That just doesn't look like a new head gasket to me. But that's why we didn't have compression. That's why the motor wasn't